This is a bag of toy cars I got in the Goodwill yesterday. There's some good stuff in here. This one's a bit out of scale, so we'll just put that aside. Whoa, horsey. Table's not level. There's a nice old Camaro. Trail Boss. Number 78. 56 Nomad. It says Scooby-Doo on it. '55 Chevy with a Coke emblem. 57 Chevy convertible. This is a police car, but I can't identify the make. Trash truck. Thunderbird convertible. What makes these? This is a Matchbox. 1988. There's Hot Rod without a windshield. Hey little cobra, don't you know you're gonna shut 'em down? I took my cobra down the track. What's this? Audi police car? Cadillac Eldorado. I don't know what this is supposed to be. It's pretty. The Big Apple. Out of scale truck. Ford. Lincoln 4-door convertible. One side black, the other side red. Hot Wheels. Top Secret. I think I already have this one. Mercedes. GTO. PT Cruiser panel, which they never officially released. I had seen drawings of it. Hot Rod, Hot Rod. Jeep. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Lloyd's Towing Service. And another unidentified truck. There's the haul. There we go. I found use for this way out of scale one. Froggy's Used Cars. Wasn't that fun?